Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry. First, establish a strong foundation by mastering basic principles. Focus on understanding bonding, hybridization, and the different functional groups. Learning EUPAC nomenclature is crucial for identifying compounds correctly. Dedicate time to drawing out reaction mechanisms, paying close attention to electron movement. This foundational knowledge is essential for building more complex understanding. Once you have the basics down, dive into reactions. Categorize them by type, like substitution, addition, or elimination, to see patterns. Make flashcards for each reaction, noting the reagents, starting materials, and expected products. Don't just memorize. Understand the why behind each step. Practice predicting reaction outcomes and drawing the full mechanisms repeatedly. This active recall strengthens your comprehension significantly. Consistent practice is key to success in organic chemistry. Solve as many practice problems as possible from your textbook and previous exams. Focus on synthesis problems, which require you to plan multi-step reaction sequences. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are valuable learning opportunities. Discuss challenging concepts and solutions with classmates to gain new perspectives and solidify your understanding. Finally, consistent review is paramount. Regularly revisit all learned material, especially reaction mechanisms and functional group properties, to reinforce your memory. Don't hesitate to use online resources, video tutorials, and supplementary study guides for additional explanations. These tools can offer different perspectives and clarify difficult topics. Remember to check the description below for links to helpful resources and other great deals, including that amazing car air freshener. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.